Well, good evening. VlogWonky here. What have you just seen?
I saw cat shit.
What?
Cat shit.
Cat shit. That must have been exciting.
See over there. Small. Not dog one.
How big was it? Right. What colour?
Brown.
Brown? That's probably cat shit.
Yeah, cat shit.
Right. Let's have breakfast after talking about cat shit.
Yeah, cat shit. 何ですかこれは? Like a cat shit.
That's not cat shit.
Really?
That is blue tack.
Blue tack?
Yeah.
White.
Yeah. Blue tack is white. There you go.
Cat shit.
That's to, so I keep some blue tack there. That's to hold my camera. You know, it can record in the dark. So when I'm driving at night, I put it there and I can talk to the camera. People can see me
Okay.
in the dark.
In the dark.
It's very good.
You filthy animal.
What?
I know you.
You're filthy.
Ready?
You're thinking about something completely different.
Sure. I know you. You're filthy. Man, I'm innocent too, man. I don't know anything.
The last couple of days we've noticed water running past our house in the gutter. We wondered where it was coming from. So we've come up the street a little bit and we found there's water coming out of this hole here. Look at that. Doesn't look right. I'm out walking and I've just noticed some unusual birds over there in the bushes. They're parrot-like birds. I've never seen birds quite like that around here. Maybe I just haven't noticed them. Well, it's a very destructive bird indeed. Desecrating that tree. Maybe I should kill it.